What's your name?
My name is Dr. Chika Nwokedi. As one of Buru, founder, PG, in the Council of Nigeria, and the current chairman, Council of Igbo, Lagos State.
Wow, congratulations.
How do you feel today, sir?
And how do you feel today?
I'm happy because I was born in August, Sunday, 1972. Tomorrow is my member day, which tomorrow is only VIP. But as a king, I said let me start today for all the old Igbos, so that they will not think say that I only invite the millionaire or big men. So I was born in August 4, Sunday, which tomorrow is my birthday, and which only the VIP will be allowed tomorrow by 12 to 5. So I'm happy because when they born you, someone will buy you. When you die, someone will buy you. But it's whenever you are doing your birthday, you are telling God thank you that I'm alive. So I can spend any amount to thank God say I'm alive. So that's why I'm doing this birthday to thank God say I'm alive.
This year's event is very different. You are celebrating with some of your members born on August 4. Why did you decide to do so for this year's event?
Yes, because I am a PG and the founder of Buru. So every August paper, I did the poster to put all of them and the magazine. So as a king and founder, I must do it with my August birthday mate. So that's why I put their name.
Okay. In a summary, in a nutshell, who is Eze Chika Nwokedi? Who is he? Okay. Eze Nwokedi is a king from Okpoko. My father, which is AOU Nwokedi, Eze Okpoko, is my father. And I took over from my father as a king. And tomorrow, if I die tomorrow, my son will take over. They cannot leave my family to go to anywhere. That is heritage. So I am confirmed original king from the southeast. So that's why I'm answering Eze Okpoko 1. Because my father answered Eze Okpoko. Now my father is the owner of Nwokedi Street at Onitsha, Anambra State. My father is the one that did the street of longest city today in Anambra State. Buru Road was the longest city in Anambra State. That's my father that did. So if you know my father, you know what I'm doing today is what my father have done, and they died and I took over. So not about the Igbo of Lagos. I am that Igbo is lowering my standard. I am original king of Igbo land. I took over from my father, who is AOU Nwokedi. So go and verify.
Lastly, what's the significance of August for you? Because you mentioned something.
Yes, August is the best year. I came Lagos in August 8th. I did my wedding August 25. I won President of Market of Labushi August 14. I received first award from police August 29, 2012. And I opened my house August 6. And my only son, which is Son Tochukwu, was dedicated to God August 5th. So August is a powerful year to me. And I believe in August. And every August, no matter how this country is, I will not like for money. Because August is the month that God always answers me. And again, I am a religious giver. I give a lot. Now that people give me a gift, spending money. Because I can give person in anybody. So I'm happy to see my friends to come today. No, not when I die. They come here and bring goat and cow. But now, I see them. And tomorrow, if they call me, I will be there.
All right, sir. Thank you, sir.